Hey guys, I'm Claudine from Fabulous Spa here in beautiful Via del Palmar at the Islands of Loreto. And today we just want to give you a little home tip on how to take care of your skin. You're going to need two main ingredients today: aloe vera and ice. Okay guys, so this is what we need to do today. First, you're going to cut the tip of your aloe vera at the end. You want to make sure that you remove the sides of the aloe. If you can use an extremely sharp knife, always much recommended. So you need your blender. So what we're going to do is remove and make sure to get all the pulp that's inside your aloe vera. If there's a little bit of skin, it's not a problem. So this is how the pulp looks like once you've actually removed it from the skin. Cut it into 2 chunks. In the blender, ice. It does get a little bit of gooey, that's no problem. Once all blended together, you guys, this is what your consistency looks like. Slimy, white, foamy, and ice. Very cool. You can put some of this fresh on your skin in the evening time after you've been out. It's pure aloe vera at 100% and ice. The easiest way to make your after sun gel to hydrate your skin and protect it from the sun after you've been out all day. See you next time at Fabulous Spa.